Hi everyone, my name is Matt Milner, and welcome to my course, Creating Forms in HTML. I'm an independent software developer and trainer focused on web and cloud technologies. HTML forms are a critical component of web development, allowing users to enter information to help create the web. This course is a quick introduction to the key knowledge developers should be familiar with in order to get started creating HTML forms. Some of the major topics that we will cover include HTML form basics and how form data is processed, the various form input types, including text, emails, sliders, checkboxes, and lists, organizing your form inputs, as well as styling and validating your forms. By the end of this course, you'll be ready to start creating forms in HTML. Before you begin the course, you should be familiar with HTML markup and the basics of cascading style sheets. From here, you should feel comfortable diving deeper into web development with courses on server-side form processing with Node.js, PHP, or ASP.NET, more in-depth content on HTML5 input types and their options, or styling HTML with cascading style sheets and using JavaScript to program your web pages. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn HTML forms with the Creating Forms in HTML course at Pluralsight.